Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Unique and I'm back with another wig review. Okay, so this wig is by Bobbi and it is called Etta. I've been eyeing this wig for a little while when I've had my braids in and stuff, and I was like, I've been seeing it on like the girls on YouTube and they look really bomb. And I was watching their videos and their little mini tutorial on how to apply it, and it seemed really easy to apply, and it was. Okay, so when I took it out of the package, it had the lace on there and everything, and it had baby hair and all that stuff like that, and it was really like wavy, I will say. So it looked like really like this. It looked like the wig on the picture. I don't know if you guys can see. It looked like this, right? And actually this picture makes it look like just a tad bit a little more curly, but it was more wavy. So what I did was I turned the wig upside down like twice, and I just cut the lace, simple as that, and I just plopped it on my head. My hair is not all the way like braided down in the back because I gotta wash my hair and I need to right now, but I had to go to work, so I just put my hair in a smallest ponytail I could do. My hair is so thick, and just put 2 wig caps on top and boom. So it might look a little humpy at the top, but I tried my best. Okay, but I think I've gotten it as flat as I could do it. So yeah, but overall I think that I got the wig, you know, pretty flat. So it's the part of the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Curlify Premium Synthetic Wig Natural Curl Series. And like I said, this is in the style Etta, and I got it in a 1B. And it has it in like different colors. I actually like the ginger. Might check out not the ginger, but the burgundy. The burgundy looks really nice. And yes, so they have it in a regular 1B, one burgundy. They have it in a ginger color, and they have a mulberry and a silver, and looks like a blonde here. So I don't know how that would look. Might look cute. It might look cute. And these are the other styles that they have in this series. They have Shaka. Actually, I think Shaka is kind of cute. And they have Nina. Nina is kind of cute as well. It's got like this afro kind of look to it. And then they have Angie, and then they have Shirley. So I actually like all these wigs. They're like, the series is about like natural curls or natural looking hair that, you know, it mimics your own natural hair. So I'm really for the series. I think I paid about almost close to $40 for this wig, so very affordable. And like I said, this wig was so easy to apply. Like literally, I didn't do no plucking. All I did was put some powder in the parting area, and I just put a little bit of concealer over right here. This was really quick. It might not be as much, it might not be as blendable as I wanted to, but because I had to go to work. So but I think it looks pretty good. I did make some baby hairs on the side here. You know, I'm not good at baby hair, so you know, I did my best. You know, don't come for me. So I'm still practicing at that, but overall I give this wig pretty much like a 9 out of 10. It's a really nice wig. Like the cons of this wig is that it sheds a lot. When I, you know, cut the lace off and everything, of course you get a little bit of shedding. But then when I started like really like, because I had to shake it out and really comb out the curls, the curl pattern, I'll actually insert a picture of how it looked straight out of the pack. It was shedding. So just that is a little bit of a con, but not too much for me. Like I expect synthetic wigs to shed. My own hair sheds, so I'm used to it now. But for some people, like, you don't want to see hair on your shirt and all that kind of stuff, so that might be a con for you. Is this wig big head friendly? I think so, because my hair is really, 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 really thick, and my hair is squeezed in this cap, in this wig, and it fits really, really well. I will say that you do have a little bit of your hair out, just a little bit here. So it's like, I think it's big head friendly, but then you might have, like I said, your edges out. And I have a small head, so you might have your edges out just a little bit. But I left my edges out like this because I think that it looks natural like this. I don't know. I just thought this looked really natural. And so I left it out like that. I think this wig is meant to be, I guess it is meant to be on the side. That's why I got this wig, because I wanted a wig that was meant for the side. And I got one. So I was really happy about that because I can't do middle parts. No. So I don't know if you can do a middle part with this wig. I might insert a picture if you can with the middle part. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I did take some bomb ass photos with this wig on, and it was risky. It was risky, okay? I was taking pictures by myself with my tripod, and I had some guy come up to me and was like, "Do you need help?" And I was like, "Corona, corona, corona." Okay, like back up. So I did, risk myself for taking these pictures for you guys to give you some quality content. So please give this a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, guys.